हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आप ही के चैनल मार्गदर्शक में। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द frequently asked MCQ question of class 12 CBSE physics. Let us start with optics. The radius of curvature of plane mirror is infinite. SI unit of power of lens is diopter. The magnifying power of magnifying glass of power 12 diopter is 4. The biconvex lens whose refractive index is equal to 1.5 has equal curvature with each of 20 centimeter. The power of the lens is 5 diopter. When two converging lenses of same focal length f are placed in contact, then the focal length of the combination is f upon 2. Next question is sixth number. When a ray of light enters a glass slide from air, its wavelength decreases. The transverse nature of light waves support polarization. The color of light in place color of light the color of a thin film is due to interference. Which of the following cannot be polarized sound wave? A convex lens n is equal to 1.5 is immersed in water n is equal to 1.33, then it will behave as a converging lens. A light owns its color due to its frequency. A convergent lens will become less convergent in water. The air bubble inside water shine due to reflection. Bristol is equal to U is equal to tan IP. The angle of deviation of a prism is greater for violet. The focal length of the lens is 50 centimeter. The n its power is plus 2 diopter. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Refraction diffraction was discovered by Gad, Garibaldi. The electromagnetic wave theory was first theory of light fails to explain component effect and photoelectric effect. The magnifying power of a compound microscope for normal adjustment is minus V naught upon U naught 1 plus D upon Fa. The next question is part differences in destructive interference is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. Mirage is a phenomenon due to TIR, total internal reflection. Rainbow form due to combination of dispersion and total internal reflection. When light enters one medium into another medium, which quantity does not change? Frequency is the right answer of this question. Which of the following cannot be polarized? Ultrasonic waves. Which of the following is used in optical fiber? Total internal reflection. When we see an object, then the image formed on retina is real and inverted. Which of the following is not a property of light? It requires a material medium for its propagation. Which one of the following has maximum refractive index? Diamond. Deviation of a thin prism of refractive index and an angle of prism A is n minus 1 into A. The magnifying power of an astronomical telescope or normal adjustment is minus f naught f naught upon fa. The next question is question number 32. Cylindrical lenses are used to correct the eye defect called astigmatism. On increasing the length of the tube of compound microscope, magnifying power increases, which produces additional illuminations in a fluorescent tube. Ultraviolet rays. The velocity of light is maximum in vacuum. A double convex air bubble in water behaves as divergent lens. Width of interference fringe is B is equal to D lambda by a small d. Which of the following is correct for magnifying power of compound microscope? M is equal to minus L upon F naught 1 plus D upon Fa. The color of light travels slowest through a glass spring is violet. The bending of a beam around corner of an obstacle is called diffraction. Poisson's bright spot was discovered by Poisson's. The application of Doppler effect was are all of these: Doppler spectrometer, Doppler radius, Doppler velocitometer, polarization of light, polarization of light wave proves the transverse nature of light is. Then vacuum, the speed of light depends upon none of these. Power of parallel sided glass slab is zero. Optical path is equal to refractive index into path length. The lens which is used to remove short sightedness is concave lens. Which of the following is correct for refractive index? Meanwhile, color yellow color U is equal to UR plus UV by 2. Which of the following is correct for astronomical telescope? F not greater than FE. Angular dispersion is equal to UV upon UV minus UR into a power. The power of convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter in diopter is 5. A 10 centimeter long piece is under 4 centimeter water level. Its length will be vertically above will be 10 centimeter. Focal length of a convex lens will be maximum for red light. A short-sightedness person used for clear vision concave lens. The critical angle of light passing from glass to air is minimum for violet color. The angle of minimum deviation for the thin prism of refractive index U is U minus 1a. The focal length of lens U is equal to 1.5 in air is 20 centimeter. Its focal length in medium of refractive index is 1.5 is infinite times. Equivalent focal length of two lenses in contact having power minus 15 dE and plus 5 diopter will be minus 10 centimeter. Critical angle for light going from medium 1 to medium second and theta. The speed of light in medium 1 is v. Then the speed of light in medium 2 is v upon sine theta. The final image in an astronomical telescope with respect to object is virtual and inverted. The optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. When the tube length of microscope is increased, its magnifying power increases. The upper half of convex lens is blanked. The size of image formed by it becomes of less intensity. When concave lens of glass is immersed in water, it works as less divergent. A biconvex lens can form a virtual image if the object is placed at the place between the lens at its focus and it focus. A short-sightedness person used for clear vision concave lens when we see an object when the image formed on retina is real and inverted. The image formed by objective lens of a compound microscope is real and large. The next question is a magnifying glass is to be used at the fixed object distance of 1 inch. If it is to produce an erect image 5 items magnified, it it its focal length should be 1.25. To remove hypermetropia lens used is convex lens. The resolving power of human eye in 1 minute is 1. Blue color of a sky is due to scattering in if energy of photon of blue light is even and that of yellow light is E2, then even greater than E2. Which of the following phenomenon takes place when a monochromatic light is incident on a prism? Deviation. A short pulse of white light is incident from air to glass slab at normal incidence. After traveling through the slab, the first color to emerge is red color. There are certain materials that develop in laboratory which have a negative refractive index. A incident from air medium 1 into such a medium 2 cell follows a path given by option number D is the correct. An object is placed at a focus of 10 centimeter from a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Then it forms a magnified real and inverted image. The next question is question number 78 and it is a ray of light get incidence on a transparent material slab at an angle of incidence 60 degree if the reflected and the refracted ray are perpendicular to each other, then which of the given option s is are correct? The reflected incidence of material of the glass slab is under root 3. The unit of which physical quantity is light year is distance. Which of the following eye defect is removed by convex lens? Farsightedness. Which of the following retina is correct for dispersive power? The omega is equal to UV minus UR by UV minus R. The image found by simple microscope is virtual and erect. Focal length of eye lens of a healthy man is about 2 centimeters. Velocity of light in vacuum is c. Its value in glass U is equal to 3 by 2 will be 2c by 3. The focal length of an astronomical telescope for normal adjustment is f naught plus fe. Interference of light is the redistribution of which of the following physical quantity is intensity. Relative permeability is equal to U upon U naught is equal to UR. Okay, 1 U 2 is equal to U2 upon U1. Image found on retina is real and inverted. Which of the following is the cause of formation of rainbow dispersion? The focal length of a lens of capacity 4 diopter is 0.25 meter. Which of the following is correct for dispersive power? And omega is equal to UV minus UR by UY minus 1. If the focal length of a glass lens is refractive index is equal to 3 by 2 in air is 4 is Fa, and in water refractive index 4 by 3 is Fw. Then Fw is 4 times Fa. Which of the following relation is correct for intensity of a scattering light I and wavelength of light lambda? The I inversely proportional to 1 by lambda to the power 4. The refractive index of material of the prism is U is equal to sine A plus psi m by 2 by sine A by 2 is the correct answer. The next question is the critical angle for transparent medium diamond is 24.41 degree. If UG is equal to 3 by 2 and U omega is equal to U omega is equal to 4 by 3, then WUG is 9 upon 8. Power of two lanes in contact is P is equal to P1 plus P2. Magnifying power of simple microscope is M is equal to 1 plus D upon F. Critical angle for glass slab is 42 degree nearly. So, if this video is helpful to you, then like this video and subscribe the channel and also share this video with your friend. Thank you.